Hello friends, Maya here with the Healthy Lifestyle Solutions podcast. Recently, I had a dentist on my podcast. Her name is Dr. Ann, and she came on the show to talk about a product line that she developed during the pandemic. It's called Happi Hippo Plant Organics. She started with the simple dental products and has expanded her line to beauty care. Check this out, how she has her label on there. I'm going to take these out first, and then we'll talk about what we have with a beautiful little card. Look at this. Okay, I cannot wait to open these. I'm so excited. I also love the idea of supporting a small business. And so let me show you what I have. This is Epsom salt bath that you can put to basically scoop on into this cute little scoop, place in the bag, and put in your bath so that you can enjoy for 20 minutes. I have this cute hand lotion. You touch it, basically allow it to melt and moisturize your hands. And then I have 3 types of tablets. These are toothpaste tablets. Basically, you take one of these little guys, chew them up, and brush your teeth. And then I have 3 types of balms, lip balms that are flavored. This is eco-friendly. These are organic. This is good for the environment, good for your health. Go to the website, Happi Hippo Plant Organics. Use the code HLS15 for 15% off your order. And I hope that you enjoy.